feel like the perfect time of year for some warm and comforting, buttery cornbread? Picture it. The weather has just begun to get cool and crisp, the leaves are starting to change color, and the sweaters have come out of their summer slumber. In other words, it's the best friggin' season of the year, and I will fight you on it. Come at me, bro! So doesn't it just feel right to start the season off with a totally banging cornbread recipe? I'm here to make your corny, pumpkin spicy dreams come true. I've got a recipe that combines the warm, sweet spices that we all know and love about pumpkin season with the savory, hearty comfort of cornbread. This pumpkin spice cornbread is both vegan and gluten-free and is on the table in under an hour. Good luck trying to save any leftovers because I guarantee you people will be going back for seconds and thirds, possibly fourths. 9 simple ingredients and a blender is all you need to make this pumpkin spice cornbread. So we're going to start by adding in our plant milk. I'm using soy milk here, and then a flax egg. This is just ground flaxseed mixed with water and left to soak for 10 minutes. Then we're going to add in some date paste for some natural sweetness and some homemade pumpkin puree. You can check out this video right out here to see how I made it myself, plus some apple cider vinegar to help the baking soda and baking powder rise. Once you've blended the liquid ingredients into a thick paste, we're going to add in some gluten-free flour and some cornmeal. Medium grit is what you want to use here. Then add in the baking powder, baking soda, pumpkin pie spice blend, and some salt, and then we're going to blend that until it has reached a nice thick batter. You may need to stop once or twice to scrape down the sides and help things blend. And then once it is a nice, thick, smooth batter, you're just going to transfer that into a parchment-lined 9x9 baking tin, smooth it out until it's in an even layer. Then we're going to pop that in the oven for 30 minutes and bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. It should turn out looking something like this. I so love how the top of cornbread gets a little bit crackly when you bake it, and it just looks so good. Oh my goodness, the smell of this is like absolutely to die for. And seriously, look at the texture of that cornbread. It is spongy, it is soft, it's not dense, it's not too dry, it's just perfectly moist, and it is so good, you guys. It literally melts in your mouth with just a little bit of butter spread on it. It is straight up the perfect companion to soups and stews, or if you want a quick breakfast to go with your pumpkin spice latte in the morning, this is just delicious. I've got pumpkin spice everything and so many fall recipes hitting the channel this season, so make sure you subscribe below so you don't miss a thing. And while you're at it, check out these 2 videos right here. I'm going to teach you how to make your own pumpkin puree and also a what I eat in a day video showing you all sorts of fall recipes I have been enjoying as of late. I will see you in another video. Bye!